The prerequisites, the remote odds.
The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Enable SQL.active line to the configuration file. In the remote database, the schema to be accessed must be enabled, and I will show you how to do that. And it requires authentication. Authentication is either basic, using the schema username and password, or OAuth 2. And recommended is OAuth 2. And later on, I'll describe how you use OAuth 2 with REST-enabled SQL. REST-enabled SQL, when we compare it to REST sources, we only have one endpoint. It can be used or consumed by any client, just as web sources, command line, a GUI, or a program. The SQL, PL SQL, is provided within the request, and it understands SQL plus commands, DML, DDL. It also understands SQL CL. So it is a very comprehensive implementation. If we go from this diagram of using a REST web source from any HTTP client, we go to using REST-enabled SQL from any HTTP client. And you'll see the difference here is that the endpoint is always the same. And the format of the endpoint is the odds base URL with the addition of the schema alias underscore or slash underscore slash SQL. That is the endpoint. It's always the same.
The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello, everybody. Welcome, and thanks for joining. I see some people still coming in.
Slash SQL is, let me say, SQL plus style. Application JSON, as you see in this example, it sends a JSON object with the statement text in the JSON object, in the JSON content. The response, you receive the response, and in this example, the response is JSON.